Welcome back, folks. Today, we're diving into the world of hard floor cleaning with the ultimate solution on the market, the Tineco iFLOOR 3 Breeze Complete. If you're tired of juggling between vacuuming and mopping, this product is here to revolutionize your cleaning routine. Introducing the Tineco iFLOOR 3 Breeze Complete, the best hard floor vacuum cleaner you can get your hands on. With its innovative design and powerful features, cleaning your hard floors has never been easier. Let's talk about what sets this vacuum cleaner apart. First off, it's cordless, giving you the freedom to clean without being tethered to a power outlet. Plus, with its self-cleaning technology, maintaining the brush and tubes is a breeze. And weighing in at just 9.26 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver. But here's where it gets really impressive. The Tineco iFLOOR 3 Breeze Complete vacuums and mops your hard floors simultaneously. That means no more switching between tools or wasting time. Just one simple step for a thorough clean. And let's talk performance. With powerful suction and a water recovery rate of over 90%, your floors will be left dry, streak-free, and looking their best in no time. Say goodbye to lingering dirt and hello to sparkling clean floors. But wait, there's more. The complete edition comes with everything you need to tackle even the toughest messes. With 2 roller brushes and 2 bottles of Tineco deodorizing and cleaning solution, you'll always be ready to conquer any mess. So there you have it, folks. If you're in the market for the best hard floor vacuum cleaner, look no further than the Tineco iFLOOR 3 Breeze Complete. With its innovative design, powerful performance, and comprehensive accessories, cleaning has never been easier or more efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning!